Hi guys, welcome to Vaishnav Vision. Today we are making avocado sandwich for breakfast, and it's an amazing sandwich. It's really very yummy, tasty and filling. So let's get started. So for making this sandwich, we have to toast our bread slices. You can use butter for toasting, and then we have to fry our eggs. And then we have to make sure to cut our avocado in small slices and tomato in small slices. Okay, now our toast are ready and everything is ready. Let's assemble our sandwich and get it done. So yeah, let's put our bread slice and then spread some avocado slices. It's an easy sandwich. You can make it very easily, and it's really very healthy and tasty and filling. So yes, make sure to try this at home. Now let's add our egg. Now we have to add or sprinkle some salt and pepper. You can add according to your taste. If you want, you can add red chili powder as well. But I'm adding black pepper powder and salt. And now it's time to add tomato slices and some mozzarella cheese slices. Yeah, that's it. It's done. Now you have to cut it in half and serve it. And if you want to microwave it for 30 seconds, yeah, you can go ahead. Then your cheese will melt, and I like to eat it this way because it tastes amazing like that. So yeah, do try this recipe at home and let me know in comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. And if you haven't subscribed to Vaishnav Vision, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for another interesting and amazing content. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Have a great day. Bye.